Alright everybody, it's currently Friday morning. We've been working in the shop all week. I took the day off of my regular job. We got a side job to do today. We are on our way to do some cold side on a twin turbo Fox body at my buddy's place. So it'll just be kind of a short video. We're just kind of messing around the shop, getting it welded up, getting it fitted. It'll probably be a second video. This will probably be the second video out this week. But yeah, we're just gonna be messing around the shop, getting that done with, and you guys can come hang out with us. We'll see you there. Say hi, Sandy.
Bye bye.
You're gonna be on my video today.
I don't video good.
Neither do I. We are at Sandy's Speed Shop and we're gonna get some work done today. So we are at Sandy's Speed Shop and we've got Mustangs everywhere. Just two of them. But we're gonna be working on this. He is currently building this to drag and drive, and hopes of running 6 summer. We got the trailer and all the goodies, but we're gonna get some cold side made up for this today, and hopefully you still got to put your other motor in it.
Yeah.
So still have to get the other motor in the car, but we'll get it all mocked up, get it all welded up. And hopefully you can get the other motor in it, get it running. You just got your head back yesterday?
Yep.
So we'll get working on this today, and we'll get updates. We'll do updates and show you just random fuckery of what usually goes on when we work together. All right, so we kind of got busy and started messing with stuff, but we got the radiator in there, the intercooler in there. We got some brackets made up for them all. And now we're just gonna pull them back out, finish weld all of them, and we can get going on the charge pipe. Sorry for the no updates, but we kind of got excited and started working on it, and we got to this point, and now we can keep moving. Done.
Oh, Dad?
All done. Charge pipe mocked up on it to the intake manifold. Just getting it rough cut in right now, and then I'll trim it, grind it to get it fit real nice. There's going to be a single disconnect at the throttle body, which we have already up there. It's kind of taped in place for now. I'm going to get this 90 trimmed and kind of start grinding and fitting it till it all fits really nice, and then we can get it all tacked in place and start working on the piping from the turbos to the intercooler. we got it done. We just kind of did it. Kind of forgot to video along the way with some of it, and just kind of was moving and stayed in it. But we got the cold side all done. Congratulations, Sandy. But yeah,
Let's go fast.
let's go fast now.